Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to put tags on Pinterest correctly. So, first of all, Pinterest no longer uses hashtags the way platforms like Instagram or Facebook do. Instead, Pinterest focuses on keywords, topic tags, board categories, and alt text in metadata. So when people say tags on Pinterest, they usually mean keywords or topic labels. So for example, I'm going to add a pin. I'm going to add the description. In the description box, I can include some tags like DIY, recipe, healthy, everything is up to you. So you can use 3 to 5 keywords in the pin description, mention the core idea clearly and naturally, add variations of your main keyword if possible. So basically, that's how you add tags here on Pinterest. You don't need to use hashtag and then word, just keyword. So below you can see this add topic. So you can type in topic like DIY crafts or budget recipes, skincare, healthy recipe. Pinterest will suggest official topics. Select 3 to 5 that match your content. So this helps Pinterest categorize and surface your content correctly in feeds and search. For board, in board titles and descriptions, make sure your boards have clear, keyword-rich titles. For example, healthy dinner ideas, healthy recipe ideas. Include a descriptive sentence with more keywords. Pinterest uses your board content to understand your niche and rank your pins. So Pinterest phased out hashtag functionality. Using hashtags like hashtag recipe, hashtag DIY doesn't help anymore, and may even look spammy. So this is how to use Pinterest. So this is how to put tags on Pinterest correctly. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.